அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நிம்மி ஆப்பில் இப்போ புதுசாக அப்டேட்டாக இருக்க எல்லா கொஷின்ஸும் மாடியூல் வைஸாக நம்ம வரிசையை பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மாடியூல் சேஃப்டி ப்ராக்டிஸ் அண்ட் ஹேண்ட் டூல்ஸ். வாட் இஸ் த நேம் ஆஃப் த சேஃப்டி சைன்? ஆப்ஷன் ஏ ப்ரொஹிபிஷன் சைன், ஆப்ஷன் பி இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் சைன், ஆப்ஷன் சி வார்னிங் சைன், ஆப்ஷன் டி மேண்டேட்டரி சைன். Answer option A prohibition sign. What is the use of this tool? Option A cutting and twisting the wire, option B extracting nails from the wood, option C loosening and tightening the bolts and nuts, option D holding the hard substances. Answer option B extracting nail from the wood. Which is the golden hour for the victim injured on head with risk of dying? Option A first 15 minutes, option B first 45 minutes, option C first 60 minutes, option D first 30 minutes. Answer option D first 30 minutes. Which defect in the timber is caused to reduce its strength? Option A twisting, option B cracking, option C irregularity, option D cupping. Answer option C irregularity. Which file is used for sharpening the blunt teeth of a tenon saw? Option A square file, option B triangular file, option C half round file, option D round file. Answer option B triangular file. Which one is the example for chemical hazard? Option A fatigue, option B bacteria, option C corrosive, option D sickness. Answer option C corrosive. Which screwdriver is used for driving star-headed screw? Option A connector screwdriver, option B Phillips screwdriver, option C heavy duty screwdriver, option D insulated screwdriver. Answer option B Phillips screwdriver. Which condition of the victim is referred as coma stage? Option A lie totally senseless and do not respond to calls, option B unconscious but can respond to calls, option C conscious but cannot respond to calls, option D breathing but cannot respond to calls. Answer option A lie totally senseless and do not respond to calls. Which purpose leather aprons are used as personal protective equipment? Option A air protection, option B eye protection, option C body protection, option D face protection. Answer option C body protection. Which color background is used for warning sign? Option A, blue. Option B, white. Option C, green. Option D, yellow. Answer, option D, yellow. What is the name of the tool? Option A, bent snip. Option B, straight snip. Option C, side cutting plier. Option D, diagonal cutting plier. Answer, option B, straight snip. What first aid is to be given to stop the bleeding of the victim? Option A, applying pressure over the injured portion. Option B, covering the wound portion by dressing. Option C, keep the injured portion upward. Option D, applying ointment. Answer, option A, applying pressure over the injured portion. What is the use of stock and die sets? Option A, to make internal threads in cylindrical jobs. Option B, to make external threads in cylindrical jobs. Option C, to make internal threads in square jobs. Option D, to make external threads in square jobs. Answer, option B, to make external threads in cylindrical jobs. Which category of basic signs refers to avoid naked flame? Option A, warning sign. Option B, mandatory sign. Option C, information sign. Option D, prohibition sign. Answer, option D, prohibition sign. What is the use of cross-cut chisel? Option A, cutting keyways. Option B, cutting curved grooves. Option C, squaring materials at corners. Option D, removing metal after chain drilling. Answer, option A, cutting keyways. What is the meaning of safety? A, the occupational hazards. Option B, provide safe work environment. Option C, giving first aid treatment to the victim. Option D, the freedom or protection from harm, danger, etc. Answer, option D, the freedom or protection from harm, danger, etc. What immediate action should be taken to rescue the victim if he is still in contact with electrical power supply? Option A, call someone for help to remove him from contact. Option B, break the contact by switching off the power supply. Option C, pull and push him from the contact by hand. Option D, inform your authority about this electric shock. Answer, option B, break the contact by switching off the power supply. Which tool is used for nailing and straightening work? Option A, file. Option B, gimlet. Option C, side cutting plier. Option D, ball peen hammer. Answer option D, ball bean hammer. How files are specified? Option A, by length. Option B, by thickness. Option C, by width. Option D, by total length with handle. Answer option A, by length. Which personal protective equipment is used for protection from fumes? Option A, air mask. Option B, nose mask. Option C, apron. Option D, goggles. Answer option B, nose mask. Which artificial respiration method is to be performed to the victim with injuries on the chest and belly? Option A, mouth to mouth method. Option B, mouth to nose method. Option C, Nelson's arm lift back pressure method. Option D, Schaefer's method. Answer option D, Schaefer's method. What is the name of PPE? Option A, apron. Option B, leg guards. Option C, face shield. Option D, hand screen. Answer option A, apron. Which tool is used for loosening and tightening of nuts and bolts? Option A, side cutting plier. Option B, round nose plier. Option C, double-ended spanner. Option D, screwdriver. Answer option C, double-ended spanner. In which type of hazard virus will belong? Option A, ergonomic hazard. Option B, biological hazard. Option C, physiological hazard. Option D, chemical hazard. Answer option B, biological hazard. Which tool is used for skinning the insulation of cables and cleaning the wire surfaces? Option A, electrician's knife. Option B, round nose plier. Option C, snip nose plier. Option D, combination plier. Answer option A, electrician's knife. Which type of fire extinguisher is used for fire on electrical equipment? Option A, foam extinguisher. Option B, water-filled extinguisher. Option C, stored pressure type extinguisher. Option D, Halon extinguisher. Answer option D, Halon extinguisher. Which tool is used for holding small objects in places where fingers cannot reach? Option A, neon tester. Option B, long nose plier. Option C, screwdriver. Option D, combination plier. Answer option B, long nose plier. Which type of caliper is used to draw parallel lines along the outer edge of the materials? Option A, Jenny caliper. Option B, outside caliper. Option C, spring joint caliper. Option D, inside caliper. Answer option A, Jenny caliper. Which concept of 5S indicates standardization? Option A, step 1. Option B, step 2. Option C, step 3. Option D, step 4. Answer option D, step 4. What is the shape of prohibition sign? Option A, triangular. Option B, square. Option C, circular. Option D, hexagon. Answer option C, circular. What are the factors that must be present in combination of fire? Option A, fuel, heat and hydrogen. Option B, fuel, temperature, hydrogen. Option C, fuel, hydrogen, oxygen. Option D, fuel, heat and oxygen. Answer option D, fuel, heat and oxygen. Which personal protective equipment PPE is used for eye protection? Option A, helmet. Option B, goggles. Option C, nose mask. Option D, leather aprons. Answer option B, goggles. Which type of notch is used for making a metal tray with 90-degree bend and an inside flange? Option A, square notch. Option B, slant notch. Option C, V notch. Option D, straight notch. Answer option C, V notch. What purpose rough file is used? Option A, high degree finishing. Option B, good finishing purpose. Option C, removing least metal and good finish. Option D, removing more quantity of metal quickly. Answer option D, removing more quantity of metal quickly. Which waste is used as fuel for the biogas power plant? Option A, chemical waste. Option B, agricultural waste. Option C, waste produced from the water source. Option D, waste produced by the men and animal. Answer option D, waste produced by the men and animal. Which tool is used for marking and punching the center of pilot holes on metals? Trowel, plug tool and bit. Option B, firmer chisel. Option C, tri-square. Option D, center punch. Answer option D, center punch. Which type of stake is used for sharp bends in sheet metals? Option A, hatchet stake. Option B, square stake. Option C, bevel edge square stake. Option D, blow-horn stake. Answer option A, hatchet stake. What is the name of the tool? Option A, poker. Option B, gimlet. Option C, brodel. Option D, rowel plug tool. Answer option D, rowel plug tool. What is the starving and extinguishing of fire? Option A, using water to cool the fire. Option B, adding fuel to the fire. Option C, preventing oxygen supply to the fire. Option D, removing fuel element from the fire. Answer option D, removing fuel element from the fire. Which color is used for mandatory sign? Option A, yellow background with black border. Option B, white symbol on blue background. Option C, white symbol on green background. Option D, black symbol on white background. Answer option B, white symbol on blue background.